Hi, Daniel Brown here. I'm here to talk to you about intuitive dating. So, intuitive dating, this is a workshop that I've created. I delivered it for the first time early this month and on a bank holiday Monday. And really, it's about two things it's using the law of attraction and your natural intuition to navigate the world of dating. And it's all about saving time and being navigated through the world of dating. So, you're not basically spending a lot of time like basically dating becomes a second job. It's actually about having ease, fun, and play. So there are two main principles of intuitive dating. So the first is getting into the zone of attraction. So this is where the law of attraction works. Now, I'm not sure what you know about the law of attraction. Like there is a philosophy about it, and this is really in its simplest form for me is when you're attracting the right people in your life. So it's not necessarily about attracting money, objects, whatever. Like where I've seen a lot of attraction work is when it comes to attracting people in your life because we have energy, we are energetic beings. We have auras, we have energy, we can sense energy, and we gravitate towards people who we need to gravitate towards or people who are like us. So when I talk about the zone of attraction, it's about bringing in people who, well, in the case of this case, dating, bringing in the person or persons that you want to date. So it's getting into a zone of attraction where you meet people synchronously, synchronicity happens, like you just meet people by accident. So rather than spending a lot of time going online dating or searching around, which I've done myself, it's actually about having meetings synchronously, essentially. So that's it, zone of attraction where, and it's I'm sure you've probably had an experience as well, right? So a lot of people say that when they're in a relationship, they become more attractive and people are more attracted to them. So it's that kind of principle when you're in a certain state, you will attract more people to you. So that's the first stage, and then the second stage is intuition. So how to use your intuition to navigate the world of dating. So when you get into the attraction state, you'll start to manifest people in your life, and you'll need the intuitive tools to filter through and to navigate who to meet. So if you meet someone and you want to know if it's worth going on a date with them, you can ask your intuition. If you want to even read someone and get a sense of that person, that is what we're going to do in the second stage. So that's the main principles of intuitive dating, and there's a whole step sequence. There's four main steps which we'll go into, and I'll share that on another video. But yes, this is intuitive dating. So welcome.